Right, we're nearly finished, folks, but our chairman has said that if anyone wants to ask a question, now is the time. I mean, we don't have to ask questions, but if anyone wanted to make... Right.
Thank you. Bob Michelle, and I'm one of Graham's colleagues on CAT. And I think the emphasis on premature mortality is absolutely right. But the course to disaster is set long before men are 30 years old. That's when these dietary addictions are established. And I think for someone in their teens or 20s, it's much more horrific to think that a dietary addiction is directing them towards an avoidable cause of incapacity, when you think of the effect of an incapacitating stroke rather than death. Young men on the whole are fairly gung-ho about death. They're not that gung-ho about being incapacitated, no longer able to play rugby, football, cricket, whatever it may be.
Now, when you're young, you think you're immortal.
Absolutely.
But if that was sort of a coded message to parents throughout the United Kingdom, we politicians will have a go, but we're probably not best listened to. It's whoever the current role models are these days. I think we've moved on from Jordan and Peter Andre. I don't know who the current role models would be, but your point is well made, and for what it's worth, I'll pass it on to Michael Gove, and if something can be done in the sixth forms and colleges to influence our young people, that would be splendid. But I do think the point is well made. Anything else at all? Wonderful. Well, look, thank you again all for giving up your time this afternoon. Enjoy the rest of the proceedings. Do take advantage of the wonderful weather. Pop outside. Anyone wants a seagull, there's lots of them standing there. Make a lovely dish. So eat responsibly, drink responsibly, and be merry.